Here you see the water hyacinth. It is looking extremely beautiful. When someone will see the beauty of water hyacinth, will being astonished. The beauty of this water hyacinth flower attracts the mind of human being. Water hyacinth is a free floating perennial aquatic plant or hydrophyte. It is grows rapidly and doubles in 2 weeks. Germination occurs even after 30 years from the seeds of water hyacinth flowers. It is a wonderful gift of nature in rural areas. The collection of water hyacinths is more in most of dirty garbage environment. The canals, bills, houses, bowers, small ponds or lakes are adorned with its flowers. It is 7 species. It has an air chamber and can easily float in water. From the point of view of viewing, there are very few flowers as beautiful as water hyacinth. In quantitative perspective, such a wide range of flowers is rarely seen. It is a neglected plant but has many eye-catching, capturing beauty. That's why flower lovers being amazed. Although the water hyacinth is dark green in appearance, its flowers have purple spots in the white petals and yellow spots in the middle. The combination of white and purple creates a different atmosphere. Stamens are found in the middle of the petals. Each flower has 6 petals. Although water hyacinth causes water logging, but it has many benefits. Many people uses water hyacinth in cultivating vegetables, fish food, cattle feed, watering and strengthening the new piece, casting road, strengthening current cement poles, and retaining water. Water hyacinth flowers bloom throughout the year. It looks very beautiful when the flowers are in bloom. You do not get anyone who will not be fascinated by the beauty of water hyacinth flowers. No more today. I, Showman Devnath, have been with you for so long in capturing the scenes and narrating the water hyacinth flowers' beauty. Wish you will be well and healthy and try best to protect the nature.